For many businesses in Houston, technology is at the center of daily operations. From managing customer information to running secure networks, companies rely on IT systems to stay productive and competitive. In this video, we'll explore how managed IT services help Houston businesses grow and stay resilient in a challenging environment. Imagine a world where your IT systems never fail you. Managed IT services offer continuous support and proactive maintenance, ensuring your business runs smoothly without unexpected downtime or costly repairs. Houston's diverse economy demands robust IT solutions. Managed IT services prepare your business for hurricanes, power outages, and cyber threats, offering local expertise tailored to your unique needs. With managed IT, you gain a partner who understands Houston's challenges, ensuring your operations remain resilient and secure no matter the circumstances. Reduce IT costs with predictable monthly fees. Managed IT services provide access to a full team of experts without the need for in-house hires, allowing you to focus on business expansion. By outsourcing your IT needs, you can allocate resources to growth initiatives while professionals manage your technology, ensuring seamless scalability. Stay ahead of cybersecurity threats with advanced protection. Managed IT services help you meet industry-specific compliance requirements effortlessly, safeguarding your business and customer data from breaches. With continuous monitoring and proactive measures, your business remains secure and compliant, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Disaster recovery plans keep your business running during crises. Managed IT services offer proactive threat detection, preventing issues before they escalate. Continuous compliance monitoring ensures peace of mind, allowing your business to thrive even in challenging times. Look for local experience and a strong security focus when choosing a managed IT partner. Ensure clear service agreements and positive client feedback. Partner with Uprite services for reliable and scalable solutions. With their expertise, your business can grow confidently and securely. By choosing Uprite services, you'll gain a trusted partner dedicated to your success. Contact us today to start your journey towards seamless IT management.